children. Trigonometry 11th chapter, exercise 11.1, question number 8. I am going to solve now. Okay. Now listen. What is the question? First we have to read. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. Okay. Means at B, if tan A is equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. We have to find out that. Okay. Now we see whatever they given in the question, they have to write first. Given, as usual, we have to write given in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle is at B means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, after that tan A is equal to root 3 they given, tan A is equal to root 3 given. According to that, see here denominator is nothing is there, tan A is equal to root 3 they given, denominator is nothing is there means 1 we can write. Okay. Now according to this we have to draw the diagram of right angle triangle. Theta, what we have to write? A, B, because right angle is at B, B, C. Okay. Here adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse. Okay, right hand. Tan theta is equal to what ma? Tan theta is equal to sides ratio. Tan A is equal to tan theta or A angle, whatever they given we have to write. Tan A is equal to what is the sides ratio of tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the sides ratio of tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. According to this, in opposite side place root 3 is there. Okay. Root 3 is there. Opposite side root 3 is there and adjacent place 1 is there. And two sides we find, shortest side and longest side. Hypotenuse we have to find out now. What is hypotenuse here? AC square is equal to BC square, nahi to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem? This Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem beta? Pythagoras. What is the theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. From this, that is equal to AB value how much they given? 1 means 1 square plus BC value what they given? BC value root 3. What they given? Root 3 square. Okay, 1 square, 1 into 1, 1 only, right? 1 plus root 3 they given, root 3 whole square means root and 2 we can get cancelled. Now what is left? 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. AC square is equal to 4. AC is equal to square जाना remove करने के बाद से A side right side square root आता, मतलब square root of it becoming square root of 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 square, right? 2 square, 4 root square root 2 get cancelled. AC is equal to 2. But AC is equal to how much we got here? Hypotenuse 2, right? Now we have to find out the values of first one. According to this, sin A cos A sin C values find करना है. Means A also acute angle we have to use, C also acute angle we have to use. Okay. From these, first one is sin A. Sides ratio of a sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse, means opposite side what is there? A के opposite, just opposite √3 by hypotenuse is 2. Now first means we have to write first BC by AC, that is equal to √3. BC value √3 by AC value 2. Next to cos C value, cos C. Next first sin C also we can find, sin C also there na, sin we can cancel, first find out, after that sin C. Sin C is equal to C, opposite side means AB. Angle C is here, that's why opposite side is AB by hypotenuse as usual. Opposite side what is there? AB by AC. AB value how much? 1. AB value how much? 1 by 2. Sin A, sin C find. After that cos A, cos C also we will find now. Cos A is equal to cos, sides ratio is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. According to this, sin A is equal to, you can put in bracket box also. That is formula, that's why adjacent side AB by adjacent side AB by, what is that beta? cos A है ना, AB by AC, that is equal to AB value 1 by AC value 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Cos A value 1 by 2. Next, cos C. Adjacent side, what is that? C की adjacent side √3 will be मतलब BC by C है इधर ही है ना, इसलिए adjacent side BC होता, BC by AC, that is equal to BC value how much? √3 by 2. Okay, √3 by 2. But what we have to find out? First one, in this sin A cos C, plus cos A sin C. Okay, according to the sin A value how much? Sin A value √3 by 2. Cos C value also √3 by 2 plus cos A value 1 by 2 into sin C value also 1 by 2. Now see, √3 into √3 becoming 3 by 2 into 2, denominators we are multiplying, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 plus numerators 1 into 1, 1 by 2 2s are 4. Now denominators are equal, so we can write 4 as denominator, same denominator, and if denominators are equal, we can add numerators directly, means 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are, that is equal to 1. What is the answer? This is the answer for this. Okay. Next, this is part 1. Part 2 I have to do. Just try to have a look in this. Now second one, cos C. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C, we have to find out. What is that? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay. Already we find these values. Cos A where that? Here, right? Cos A value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos C value how much? Root 3 by 2. From here we have to take beta. Root 3 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A value how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into, and next to sin C. Sin C value how much? 1 by 2. Sin C 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now numerator we have to multiply, denominator we have to multiply first. 1 into root 3. 1 into root 3, root 3 by denominators 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 into 1 again. Root 3 by 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. See, now both are same values. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Plus value for minus value. We can cancel that here only. We no need to do. Now what is the answer? 0. This is the answer for this. So, up to here 11.1 exercise completed. Okay.